Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to create a logo using Canva. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. First thing you need to do is to open Canva and log in. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Choose Logo from the drop-down menu. Now use the search bar to find relevant templates, then browse through Canva's logo templates. Choose one by clicking on it. You can select a single version or multiple variations if available. Once you've selected the template, make it your own by editing the following: text, typeface, colors, and graphics. You can replace default icons or images with more relevant ones. Now, adjust the size, spacing, and alignment of your logo. Use Canva's guidelines to center and balance your logo. Now preview the logo in both light and dark modes to ensure versatility. Finally, you need to save and export. Click Share, then Download. Choose a high-resolution PNG for transparency and download your logo, then start using it for your brand. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.